To that unusual story of an Illinois judge removed from the bench for reversing his own verdict in a sexual assault case. That decision allowed a teenage defendant to walk free. In an exclusive on-camera interview, the alleged victim calls the judge's removal, quote, a different form of justice. NBC's Maggie Vespa has been following this case for us for months now. Maggie, good morning.
Hey, Craig, good morning. As you know, that punishment, removing a judge from the bench, is exceedingly rare. The state oversight board that did it in this case says this judge circumvented the law, reversing his own guilty verdict to, they say, keep a convicted teenager out of prison. Now, this morning, that judge is telling a very different story. Meanwhile, as you said, the alleged victim in this case is calling this a major win. And a quick warning, some of what you're about to hear in this piece may be disturbing. Cammie Vaughn had all but lost faith in the justice system. Her story began in 2021 in rural Quincy, Illinois, when the then 16-year-old says she was sexually assaulted after drinking and falling asleep at a party.
I woke up, had my face covered with a pillow, and I could feel what was happening.
The trial was swift, with Circuit Court Judge Robert Adrian finding 18-year-old Drew Clinton guilty of criminal sexual assault. The minimum sentence, 4 years in prison. At the sentencing hearing, a stunning twist. According to court transcripts, Judge Adrian said there is no way for what happened in this case that this teenager should go to the Department of Corrections. Adding Clinton's almost 5 months already served in jail was plenty of punishment. The judge then reversing his own verdict, finding Clinton not guilty.
There was no new evidence, nothing new to make him change his mind.
Protests and petitions demanded the judge's removal, public pressure culminating with a hearing from the Illinois Courts Commission. That commission has now removed you from the bench.
Yes.
Today, the former judge stands by his reversal, but now says he did it after revisiting the evidence.
Once I did that, I saw that I'd made a mistake. I didn't believe her.
You don't believe her?
Yes, I didn't believe her.
The commission saying they don't believe him. Writing Adrian intentionally subverted the law and then lied about it under oath to serve his own interests. They're saying you tried to cover up your mistake.
I didn't.
By lying later.
I didn't. And if they would have looked at the evidence in the case, then they would have seen that he was not guilty. So it's simpler just to sacrifice a poor judge than it is for them to stand up against the mob.
Now 18, Cammie maintains she was assaulted and says she's glad the judge is gone.
I didn't have much faith in the justice system because of what he had done, but it has definitely been restored.
Now, Drew Clinton, the former defendant in this case, declined to comment for this story, but through an attorney still maintains his innocence. Cammie, meanwhile, has moved out of state. She's graduated high school. She has a new job and says she's moving forward, Craig, stronger than ever.
It is such a bizarre case. Maggie Vespa for us in Chicago. Maggie, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.